Hi everyone, welcome to Java aptitude session. This is the first question, public class Ukshma, int k is equal to 10. This variable we call it as instance variable. And execution of the program begin from the main. And these are the some of the option where exactly the instance variable stored where exactly the instance variable stored. The first option is stack, second option is heap, and third option is both. It will be stored like stack also and as well as the heap also. And the fourth option is none of the above. Always a instance variable stored in a heap memory. Always instance variable stored in a heap memory. This is the answer for the particular question. We'll go for the second question. Public class Sukshmas and execution of the program begin from public static void main, and int k is equal to 0, int c is equal to 0. Here we are just checking the condition c is equal to 10 and k is assigned for the 11 and printing the value of k. But the question is here, these two variables are local variables here, int k as well as the int c. These two are the local variables present inside the main method. Where exactly the local variable stored? First option is stack, second option is heap, third option is both. It will store the stack also, heap also, and fourth option is none of the above. Answer is always a local variable stored in a stack memory. I will compare to the first question. This is the most important aspect of questions in the interviews. And always instance variable stored in a heap memory and local variable stored in a stack memory. We'll go for the next question. Public class Sukshmas and the execution of the program begin from the public static void main and public int k is equal to 1, int a is equal to 2, int c is equal to k plus a, and system.out.println now c. Predict an output of this code. These are the following options. First one is compile time error, second one is 3, and third one is runtime error, fourth one is none of the above. You can pause this video, you can predict an output of this code. Now you will get the compile time error. The exact reason is you have used the access modifier called public. So that's the reason you will get the compile time error. If you remove, so there is no error. But you can use public and all for the class level variables. You can use it here. Then there is no error. But if you use here inside the any methods, so you will use here, you will get the compile time error. Don't use public inside the method. You can use the public, private, whatever inside the class. This is the fourth question, public class Sukshmas. This is the static method present inside the Sukshmas. Another class we have taken class A, and execution of the program begin from the public static void main. Here I'm calling the static method present in the Sukshmas. Okay, I'm calling directly. And the second one is created an object for the class Sukshmas. Yes, S1 is equal to new Sukshmas and S1 dot static method I'm calling. And third one is with the help of the class name, I'm calling the static method present inside the class called Sukshmas. So options are compilation fails at line number 12, compilation fails at line number 14, compilation fails at line number 15, and none of the above. Predict an output of this code. So now you will get the compile time error in the here. Like I will mention the line number is 12. So why? Because the static method present in the different class. If you directly call like this, you will get the compile time error. Two ways you can call with the help. You have to create an object for the class. With the help of the reference, you can call, but this type of writing a code is not recommended. Why? Because you can directly call a static method present inside the particular class, but the static method present outside the class, you are unable to call. So for that, you should use the class name. You can use the class name Sukshmas dot static method. Yes, it will work. But if you call a static method directly, that method present in the different class will get the compile time error. But the static method, if I introduce any static method here, like I will take this one, I will rename it static method 1. Like you can directly call it. Why? Because static method present in the same class. Then there is no error here. But the static method present in the different class, then error will be generated. This is the difference between static method present in the same class, static method present in the different class. If it is present in a different class, good approach is with the help of class name, you should call it. No need to create an object to call a static method. That is not required. If with the help of class name, you can call it. This is the fifth question, public class Sukshmas int K, static int D, instance variable, static method, display int A is equal to 10. This is local variable. Sukshmas S is equal to new Sukshmas, created an object for the class, and system.out.println now S dot K and D as well as the A. Just this is the static method. I'm accessing the static variable, I'm accessing the instance variable, I'm accessing the local variable, and execution of the program begin from the main. I am directly calling the method static method. Why? Because static method present in the same class. No need to create an object. You can directly call a static method. You can predict an output of this code. These are the following option. First option is 0, 0, 10. Second option is 0, 1, 10. Third option is 1, 0, 10. And the fourth option is compile time error. We will run this code now. The output is 0, 0, 10 will be displayed on the screen. Thing is, if you are not created, static method can access the static variable. Static method unable to access the instance variable. But here inside the static method, I have created an object for the class with the help of the reference I'm accessing. So that is the reason it is able to access it. Okay, why? Because I have not yet initialized also for this variable. So that is the reason the default values is displaying 0 as well as the 0. For the static variable also 0, instance variable also 0, local variable I have assigned the value. But the thing is, if I don't create an object, then if I trying to directly accessing the k inside the static method, in this case, you will get the error. Inside the static method, unable to access the instance variable directly. To overcome this difficulty, I have created an object for the class with the help of the reference I have accessed. Without the created an object at all, if you are directly accessing the instance variable inside the static method, surely will get the comparison error. Hi everyone, do follow me on Sukshmas for more questions, MCQ as well as the e-notes. If you are beyond knowing participant, try to alter my code and options, then post it as an MCQ on Sukshmas platform to get very good quality bonus points. Practice well. See you in my next session. Thank you.